What's up, my people? Here I got my Wahl's detailers. Fixing to get ready and repair the cord on it. And I figured I'd just take the time out to talk about this clipper. And this clipper is a pretty solid clipper. Even though my cord may be taped together and it, it's been split open, like not one time did it skip a beat. It never did skip. I never had to move my cord to make it, start to get back to running. And if a clipper does that, man, that speaks a lot. And as far as the cut with the clippers, like exactly what the name is, detailers. Like wherever you turn your wrist, that's where this clipper is gonna cut. And I use this clipper, this lineup clipper, and I use the T outliner. I'll go in with the detailers first, and then I clean up with the T outliners. I love the T outliners too. Real powerful clipper, just like the detailers are. And I just like two of them as a combination, a tag team, if you want to say. But this clipper right here is real solid, and I can always depend on my detailers to really get the job done. And you will need needle nose pliers to take those things off. I tried to take them off by hand. I couldn't do it. So get you some needle nose pliers if you know you about to get ready to change your cords on your detailers. And the split on my cord, it just came from me just moving like I do, moving around, packing them up, unpacking them, and just, over time split. And it stayed like that for 5, maybe 6 months. And I have no problem out of them. I just got tired of seeing the tape on the cords. I like for my stuff to look good. So even though I kept it on there for 6 months, I still wanted to, go ahead and change that out. I love them now, and they still running strong. The cord I got from Amazon, and you can get that for like $8 real cheap on Amazon. These clippers are real easy to take apart, put back together. It's not complicated. Anybody can do this. Yep, that's it. They back running strong. No problems. Yep. My baby's ready to cut now. Let's get it.